Hey everyone, GPD MicroPC 2 arrives more than 5 years after the original MicroPC, reviving the concept of a handheld laptop aimed at professionals and enthusiasts who need portable computing with full desktop-like connectivity. GPD has once again chosen a compact clamshell design, but this time with more refined hardware and a modern 7-inch Full HD touchscreen display. The panel runs at 60 Hz and can fold back full 180 degrees, allowing the device to double as a tablet when needed, which adds welcome flexibility to its use case. Under the hood, the base configuration of MicroPC 2 comes equipped with Intel's N250 processor, a modest quad-core chip that offers 4 threads and is designed for efficiency rather than raw performance. Paired with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs SSD, this setup is more than capable of handling office productivity, web browsing, and light multitasking. Though it is clear that power users will want to look at higher-end variant. While this is significant improvement, integrated Intel UHD graphics remain a bottleneck, with just 32 execution units limiting the system's ability to handle even basic gaming. This makes the MicroPC 2 more suited to professional and productivity workloads than entertainment. GPD has not compromised on connectivity, which has always been a hallmark of its devices. The MicroPC 2 features dual USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, dual USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C ports, HDMI 2.1, a 2.5G Ethernet jack, a micro SD 3.0 slot, and a headphone jack, making it unusually versatile for its size. The presence of fast-wired networking, along with modern USB-C support, makes the device a strong contender for mobile IT work, diagnostics, and field use. Battery life comes from a 27.5 watt-hour unit. The GPD rates at up to 8 hours of light usage. As with many small form factor laptops, real-world endurance will likely vary significantly depending on workload, particularly when pushing the CPU under sustained loads. Fortunately, the system includes active cooling, which helps maintain performance stability during longer sessions without throttling. The MicroPC 2 is not just a laptop, but a device that straddles categories. Its 180-degree hinge and touchscreen mean it can shift into tablet mode for presentations, reading, or casual browsing, which makes it more versatile than its predecessor. At the same time, its rugged, port-heavy design shows that it is still intended for professionals who need reliable connectivity and portability, rather than sleek consumer aesthetics. Pricing reflects its niche positioning. The entry-level Intel N250 version with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage retails for $495, while the i3-N300 version costs $558 with the same memory and storage configuration. Both versions are being distributed through crowdfunding campaigns, which means potential buyers should weigh the risks involved. The GPD MicroPC 2 is ultimately a specialized tool. It is not designed to compete with mainstream laptops or gaming handhelds, but rather to serve professionals, system administrators, and enthusiasts who value maximum connectivity and portability in a compact form. With its blend of updated internals, versatile display, and wide range of ports, it manages to modernize the original MicroPC concept without losing sight of what made it unique in the first place. For users who need a pocket-sized productivity machine, the MicroPC 2 could be one of the most practical devices released in 2025. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this video? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.